GoHighLevel's Voice AI agent is one of the best tools I've ever seen for small businesses. It picks up the phone, talks to leads, and books appointments while the business owner is busy working. But here's the problem. Most people are selling it wrong. They lead with Voice AI as their main offer, charge maybe $300 a month, and then wonder why they can't grow. I'm gonna show you a better way. And this isn't theory. I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue while managing over 300 clients. And the way I do it isn't by selling one small tool, we sell a full system. By the end of this video, I'm gonna walk you through the system I recommend for beginners who wanna make money with AI. I'll show you what to sell, how to get clients, and exactly how to fulfill and get results. So let's get into it. Chapter 1, why Voice AI alone doesn't work. Let me explain why selling Voice AI by itself is a trap. When you sell Voice AI for $300 a month, you have a tiny offer. You need a ton of clients just to make decent money. And the worst part is you have no room to spend on ads or hire help. You're stuck doing everything yourself. Now, don't get me wrong, the Voice AI agent is amazing, but it works best as a back-end tool, not a front-end offer. Think about it like this. Voice AI picks up the phone and books the call. But where's the traffic coming from? If the business owner has no one seeing their stuff online, then their phone probably isn't ringing. There's little to zero inbound calls for the AI to answer. That's the gap. You need something that brings in the eyeballs first. And that's where AI social media management comes in. Chapter 2, the better way to sell. Here's what I recommend instead. You sell social media management powered by AI as your main offer for $1,000 a month. That includes 3 posts per week on their social media. You create the content using AI video tools and schedule it all out. Watch this.
A quick tip that can make a huge difference in your money life. Build an emergency fund before life builds one for you. Set up a separate savings account and automate a transfer from every paycheck. Something small but consistent. I like to start clients at $250 every 2 weeks. Watch that balance grow until it covers at least 3 months of living expenses.
That's not real. I cloned myself as a personal finance coach, and I made that in 60 seconds with AI. And businesses are paying me $1,000 a month to make social media content like this. This brings in traffic and gets people actually seeing the business. Then on the back end, you stack all the conversion tools. That means the Voice AI agent answers missed calls. You run social media automations, comments into leads, and a conversation AI that follows up with those leads right away. Now here's where it gets really smart. If a client ever wants to cancel the social media management, you don't just lose them, you downsell them to just the back-end systems for $300 a month. That means they keep the Voice AI agent, social media automations, and the auto follow-up. You still get paid every single month. Over time, that $300 a month base stacks up and becomes serious recurring income. And because your main offer is $1,000 a month, you've got room to spend on marketing and hire team members way faster. This is how you actually build a real business. Now, you've got the offer, but you still need clients. So let me show you the exact way I get business owners to say yes. But before we move on, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies, GoHighLevel SaaS, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you because the truth is, there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win, and sharing my knowledge does nothing to impact our wins, and it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, let's move on. Chapter 3, how to get clients. So now you're probably wondering how you actually get someone to pay you $1,000 a month for this. Here's what I recommend to beginners. First, reach out to a potential client and say something like, hey, I can make an AI clone of you giving a tip about your business. Want to see it? That's the hook. That gets the meeting. Because AI clones are new and almost everyone is going to be interested in seeing what it looks like. It's like saying, hey, I drew a portrait of you. Most people are going to want to see it. Then on the Zoom call or visit their place of business and show them the clone. Now, if you're just starting out and you don't have any clients yet, you offer a 14-day free trial. You say, hey, let me run this for 2 weeks so you can see the results. Just give me your card and I won't charge it until day 15 or we agree to move forward. That's how you get your foot in the door. But once you've got a few clients and some case studies, you don't need the trial anymore. You just show the sample and ask for payment right there on the call. The AI clone is what makes this work. Nobody else is doing this. When a business owner sees a video of themselves giving a tip and they didn't even film it, they're blown away. That's what gets them to say yes. All right, so now you know how to land the client, but you need to actually make the AI clone first. So let me walk you through that right now. Chapter 4, how to create AI clone videos with Sora. Let me show you how I make these AI clone videos. I use Sora, which is OpenAI's video tool. First, you need to create your character. Open the Sora app and go to your profile. Tap settings, then tap create your character. Record a short video of yourself, about 3 to 10 seconds, in good lighting with a clean background. Speak clearly so Sora can capture your voice too. Once it's saved, you'll get a username handle. Now, when I write a prompt, I just tag that handle and Sora puts me into the video. Like the video where I clone myself as a personal finance coach giving a money tip. Here's a small piece of the prompt I use. Create a 15-second vertical video. Character, at Sean Stanberry as a friendly personal finance coach in a navy blazer standing in a modern home office. He looks into camera and speaks clearly. You can pause the video right now to see the full prompt on screen. I'm working on a Sora prompt library to show all the various ways you can clone business owners. If you are interested, please let me know in the comment section below, because publishing videos like this for the client could drive more traffic, engagement, and leads. But it means nothing if you can't convert those leads, which is where our AI tools and automations with GoHighLevel come in. Chapter 5, setting up the voice AI agent. Now let me show you how to set up the back end that actually converts the traffic. We'll start with the voice AI agent inside GoHighLevel. Log into your GoHighLevel account and go to the sub account for your client. Click on AI agents. Hit the button that says create new agent. Give it a name like lead receptionist or after hours assistant. Pick the language and voice style you want. Then I want you to go to the Agent Goals tab. This is where you tell the AI what to do on the call. You can set the goal to book an appointment, answer common questions, or collect the caller's info. In the prompt section, you write something like, you are a friendly receptionist for a personal finance coaching business. Your job is to answer questions about services and book a free consultation. Next, go to the Phone and Availability tab. Pick the phone number you want the agent to answer. Here's a pro tip. Set it so the AI only picks up when the business owner misses the call. That way the owner still handles calls when they can. But when they're busy, the AI jumps in and saves the lead. Hit save and test the agent by calling the number from another phone. That's it, and now the voice AI is live. And the best part is once you build this for one client, you can copy it for the next one in minutes. So the voice AI is handling the calls, but you still need content going out every week to drive the traffic. So let me show you how to set that up next. Chapter 6, setting up social media posting. Now let's set up the social media side. This is how you deliver the $1,000 a month service. Inside GoHighLevel, go to marketing in the left menu, then click social planner at the top. Click the gear icon and connect your clients' Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever platforms they use. For Facebook, click connect social, then connect Facebook, log into their account and pick the page. Do the same for Instagram and any other platform. Now to schedule a post, click new post, then create new post. Pick the social media account from the dropdown, upload the AI video you made in Sora, write a caption using AI or write your own, then choose schedule for later and pick the date and time. Do this 3 times a week and your client has a full content calendar running on autopilot. For the images in between videos, I use Nano Banana Pro to create social media graphics. It's super easy and makes everything look clean and on brand. Now your client's social media is active, getting views and driving traffic back to their business. That's the front end of the system. And you can even boost your social media posts to, well, give this a bigger boost. Chapter 7, setting up comment to DM automation. This is where things get really powerful. When people comment on your client's posts, you want to turn those comments into leads automatically. Inside GoHighLevel, go to automation, then click workflows. Hit create workflow. For the trigger, choose Instagram, comment on post, or Facebook, comment on post. Pick the specific post you want to monitor. You can even filter by keyword, so only comments with certain words trigger the automation. Now add an action. Choose Instagram Interactive Messenger or Facebook Interactive Messenger. Set the reply type to reply to comment via DM. This sends the person a private message the second they comment. Write a message like, hey, thanks for commenting. Want a free guide on how to save an extra $500 a month. Tap the button below. Add a button that says yes, send it, and link it to a lead capture form or a booking page. When they tap it, they become a lead in the CRM. Their name, their info, everything gets saved. And if you want to go even further, you can add a conversation AI bot to follow up with them by text after they opt in. So now think about this. The AI video goes out on social media. Someone comments. The comment to DM bot sends them a message. They tap the button. They become a lead. The voice AI agent picks up when they call, and the conversation bot follows up by text. That's a full system, front to back, all automated. Now that you've seen the whole system, let me show you why the downsell is the part that makes this a real business and not just a hustle. Chapter 8, why the downsell changes everything. Here's why this whole setup is so smart. Your main offer is $1,000 a month for AI social media management. That's great money and it gives you room to grow. But let's say 6 months in, a client says they want to cancel. Instead of losing them completely, you say, hey, I totally get it, but you've got all these systems running right now. The voice AI is answering your calls. The comment bot is capturing leads. The follow-up texts are booking appointments. How about we just keep those running for $300 a month? Most people say yes to that because they can see the value. They've been getting leads from it for months. And now you've got $300 a month in recurring income from that client that might have been zero. Do this with 10 clients and that's $3,000 a month just from downsells. That's money that comes in whether you sell anything new or not. It's your safety net, it's your base, and it keeps growing the more clients you stack. Chapter 9, the game plan. Here's what you do right now. Sign up for GoHighLevel and set up one voice AI agent. Create your character in Sora and make a sample AI video of yourself as a personal finance coach or whatever niche you want to target. Then reach out to a business owner, show them the AI clone you made, and get on a call. If you're new, offer the 14-day free trial to build trust. Once you close them, set up their social media posting, the comment to DM automation, and the voice AI agent on the back end. Charge $1,000 a month for the full service. And if they ever want to downgrade, keep them on the back-end systems for $300 a month. That's the whole play. You've got a mid-ticket front end that brings in real cash. You've got a back end that stacks recurring revenue. And you've got AI doing most of the heavy lifting. Stop selling voice AI as your main thing. Use it as the secret weapon behind a bigger, better offer. That's how you actually build something that lasts. Coming up next, I have a video where I break down the new AI agency business model I am pivoting my traditional social media management company to, and I'll see you over there.